Hi, I'm Shane, and if you're looking to get the absolute best deal on Bluehost web hosting, I'll walk you through the entire process right now to save you the most money. Before we dive in, if you find this guide helpful at any point, I'd really appreciate it if you could hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips like this. So, the first thing you need to do is find the special discount link in the description of this video. Clicking this link will take you to a page with several coupon options, including 5%, 10%, and the one you'll want for maximum savings, the 15% off Best Deal. Click the Reveal Code button next to it and make sure to copy the code that appears, as you'll need it for the final step at checkout. With your code copied and ready, the next step is to choose your hosting plan. Bluehost divides its options into two main categories, Standard and Advanced. For most new users, the standard or shared hosting plans are the perfect starting point, with options like the Starter Plan, the Recommended Business Plan, or the E-commerce Essentials Plan. If you have a high-traffic website or need more power, you can explore the advanced options like WordPress Cloud, VPS, or even a dedicated server. After you've selected the best plan for your needs and proceeded to the checkout page, you'll see Bluehost's promotional pricing is already applied. However, to get your extra discount, you need to find the coupon code box. This is where you will paste the code you copied earlier. Once you paste it in and hit Apply, you'll see the total price drop even further. This confirms you've successfully locked in the best deal possible. Please let me know if this worked for you by leaving a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And finally, if this guide saved you some money, please give this video a thumbs up, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future deals.